All right, so you have a wrist unit here. You have an ankle unit. The ankle unit is sending acceleration to the wrist unit, which is keeping track of your performance as you walk or run.
That's correct.
Okay. And they're communicating wirelessly by Bluetooth.
Yep.
And so tell me more now.
Alright, so this is the wrist unit. When you first power it up, what will happen is you will power on in configuration mode. Here you can set your stride in meters. You can go down, you can go up, and we found in our testing that my stride is about 0.75 meters. You can then go and set your pace. So let's go for like a
fast.
Sure, we'll go with that,
right.
And then we'll hit enter. And now, right now we're using a sliding window averager to figure out what your actual pace is. And so we do it over just 4 steps. So you need 4 steps to happen before it actually displays a valid pace.
Okay.
So now on your foot, when you power, so we'll power on fresh. You'll notice that this is our, actually this one is our Z-axis accelerometer, and when they first power on, they're not good, so you've got to reset them. This is our Bluetooth module, and it pairs with the Bluetooth module over there. This is the slave.
And I can see it blinking.
Yep, and so it's pairing right now, and when it does a double blink like that, that's when it's correctly paired.
Okay.
So now on this guy, you should see this one toggle every time I take a step. So.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
There might be a slight delay.
Alright, ready? Step.
There's going to be a 4-step delay, right, if you have a 4-step running average,
that's
right? Okay, and so now we have the pace here is at 17, so you're slacking a little bit.
And if I go faster.
Okay, yeah.
It was just a 4-step.
Yeah. And so
it's hitting the impact of the foot against the floor.
Yes.
Okay.
And so you'll see when I'm standing still, it obviously doesn't.
Right.
Think
It
that
stops.
is happening.
Cool.
So something cool is actually you can pick up both steps with just one accelerometer.
You mean each foot?
Yeah, no, just one foot.
Uh-huh.
You can pick up both steps because when you take the second step, your other leg is lifting up, and the accelerometer is catching that positive acceleration. Like when you go up and then stop again. There's I think there's a giant spike up, so it catches that when it's really your other leg.
So you get a little extra data there.
Yep.
So this strikes me as the kind of thing that could easily be miniaturized.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
This is a proto board. We got like a giant MCU on there.
There's actually a superfluous accelerometer on there that we got rid of.
Okay, so you could, and the wrist unit could also be could be, and so this could be a practical unit.
Actually, what we found interesting was that this is these are actually made by different companies, and theirs will range anywhere from $100 to $150. The Bluetooth modules we use were maybe $6. Add up all the costs, and between the two of us, we were able to make like a $150 module, and that normally takes a team in like a couple weeks, hacked it together.
And for how much total cost would you say?
Don't think we calculated that yet.
We haven't fully calculated, but
see, well, this is $6. This is how much?
No, it's a 9 on the budget, and so call it $20 an end or something like that.
Add in like an extra $10 for harnessing and LCD screens.
So you could do better than the commercial modules for your personal use. If you actually were going to manufacture those and make a profit, then you'd probably be up in the same range.
Yeah.
Right. But it's cool.
Yep.
And
can we do a test of like us?
Yeah, you want to